Hey, so if Zen Browser is using way too much RAM and slowing down your computer, yeah, you're definitely not the only one dealing with that. High memory usage usually comes from tabs, extensions, or background processes. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zen Browser high RAM usage step by step. All right, first, close tabs you're not actively using because each open tab consumes memory in the background. Browser extensions can use a surprising amount of RAM, especially ad blockers, AI tools, or tab managers. Now check Task Manager or Activity Monitor to identify which processes are using the most memory. If available, enable tab sleeping or memory saver features so inactive tabs use less RAM. Corrupted cache files can increase resource usage over time, so clear your browsing data regularly. Sometimes hardware acceleration causes memory spikes, especially with older graphics drivers. Make sure you're using the latest version, because updates often include memory optimization fixes. Long browsing sessions can slowly increase RAM usage, so restarting the browser occasionally helps free memory. If memory usage still stays unusually high, reinstall Zen Browser to reset corrupted settings or profiles. And yeah, that's it. These fixes should help reduce Zen Browser RAM usage and improve overall performance.